Hello everyone, in this video we will learn how to filter unique value in Excel column. So let's start this in my Excel, and here you can see I have a amount column. So in this data you can see there are some duplicate amount also showing. You can see the 289.44 same as 289.44. Here also showing the same amount. So here I'm going to filter the unique values in this column. To simply select the entire column, you just click on this column name E and you can select here the entire column. The second way, you just select the first cell and drag with the mouse and select the entire column. And the third way, use the shortcut key, select the first cell and use the shift control down arrow to select the entire column. After that, go to the data tab in sort and filter group, click on the advanced option, and after that just click on yes, and here the advanced filter dialog box is open. In action, the first option is automatically selected. Least range, just click on this arrow and select your entire column. Just select the first cell, again use the shift control down arrow to select the entire column. You can check here the range of column. E is a column name and 2 is a row number. E is a column name and 186 is the last row number. Just click on this arrow again and click on the unique records only. When you click on the unique records only, it's filter only unique values in column. Okay, just click on OK, and that's it. Here you see only the unique value is showing here. There is no any duplicates value here showing. You can see. So that's it. Hope you understood. If you like this video, please subscribe. Thank you so much.